feel so bad about eating cheesecake now. If he's having that, that's cheesecake. Let's do this. Done it.
Looks like scrambled egg a little bit. Mac and cheese. What is it? General Tso's?
General Tso's, mac and cheese,
Texas
Tso's, Texas Roadhouse bread, hell of a dip, hummus.
What? Chips. Lemonade out.
Christmas edition.
Christmas cup. What did you get?
I got festive blend. Also in a Christmas cup. Holly jolly.
Need to pick some plants for your garden. Oh, look at them dogs. Christmas tree. Christmas plant.
There's something like that at work.
Oh, nice.
Something like that.
Yeah. I like aloe vera. Now full sun. All these little cacti. To get a Christmas tree and put it up.
I like that one. I heard that one.
Which one?
Yeah, all the steps here. jams.
Which do you prefer? Looks more like a smoothie type one, yeah, rather than like a wiki.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, it's like a mixture between an ice cream.
Sorbet.
Yeah.
And that's from Ridge Island Groves.
You try it.
It's like a really smooth sorbet.
You think it's a bit yogurty?
Yeah.
Like it's got a cream yogurt.
It's more yogurty than ice cream.
Yeah.
Like it's frozen yogurt in it.
That's what it tastes like, yeah.
Nice. It's good that. It doesn't taste artificial at all or anything.
No. Nice, innit? The lemons under my fish. Need some ketchup on them fries. What's your burger look like?
Fresh. Like a slab.
Your mushrooms underneath.
Got some more sauce. Oh, missed again. Ah,
It's got to go on green in a minute.
can't do it unless I've got contacts in.
Your drops.
Yeah, my contacts protect my eyeballs.
How did you like your burger?
It were nice when I got into it. Cheese melted a bit.
It looked a bit stiff, that cheese.
I think a double one might have been better.
Double burger.
Yeah, because they were quite thin.
But the
Flavour were good.
It looked
nice
on
flavour.
as
They were
well.
like smoky and char grilled, which is good, rather than fried.
So it was a good burger.
It were a good burger. For fast food takeout type ones,
It was
it was
good.
good. I mean, restaurant burgers are always going to be better, but for fast food takeouts, yeah, pretty good.
Mine were good. My fish and crinkly fries. Was it crinkly chips?
Crinkly fries are good as well. You know, it's like it's the equivalent of having a sandwich cut into a triangle.
What? Then what?
Straight fries, crinkly fries,
Are better than
straight fries. Like a triangle sandwich is better than a rectangle.
Straight fries.
Rectangle sandwich. Makes it better.
Yeah, crinkly fries are better.